Hi, this is the MOTOROLA Moto G9 Play and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint to this scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As we could see, that with the simple touch to the fingerprint unlock, I just unlocked the device successfully without any problems. So you could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs ups and subscribe our channel.